In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Invoice in QuickBooks 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll have online payments turned on and an invoice ready for your customer to pay securely with a credit card right from the email you send them. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look to the upper right for the gear icon labeled Settings. Click that, then choose Account and Settings. In the left-hand menu, select the Payments tab. This is where you connect or activate QuickBooks payments. Activating this service is essential because it adds a pay now experience to your invoices and lets customers pay you by credit card directly from the invoice. If this is your first time, QuickBooks will guide you through a short setup that may include confirming your business details and agreeing to the payment terms. Follow the prompts on screen. If you've already connected payments, you'll simply see the status and your payment options here, so you can move on. With QuickBooks Payments active, open the specific invoice you want your customer to pay. You can open an existing one or create a new one and fill in the usual details like customer, date, and line items. While you're viewing or editing the invoice, look for the online payments section. Make sure the credit card option is checked. This single setting is what enables your customer to see a Pay Now button and complete a secure card payment online. If you don't check it, the payment link won't appear for them. Before sending, take a moment to review the invoice details, amounts, due date, and the email message your customer will receive. Everything here feeds into a smoother payment experience. When it looks good, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will bring up an email preview so you can confirm the recipient and message, send it off, and you're done on your end. Your customer will receive the invoice with a clear Pay Now link. They'll click it, enter their credit card details, and submit payment. Once the payment is processed, QuickBooks will record it on the invoice automatically, helping keep your books up to date without extra manual steps. If you don't see the credit card checkbox on the invoice, double check that QuickBooks Payments is fully activated under Account and Settings, and make sure you're editing the invoice, not just viewing a PDF. That's the entire flow. Turn on QuickBooks Payments under Settings, open the invoice, ensure credit card